Dante. My name's Elise, and I'm going to be your personal product specialist here at Taron Honda in Hoover. Thank you so much for your online inquiry on the Honda Accord Sport. I do have one of those behind me, but as Alabama's largest volume Honda dealer, we're going to have whatever color option that you're looking for. Now, what you're going to get on this vehicle, one of the things, is going to be your full Honda Sensing Suite. That's going to be your radar at the bottom of your bumper, and then the camera at the top of your windshield that works together to give you your lane keeping assist, your road departure, your collision braking, and your adaptive cruise control. You're also going to have your LED headlights and your LED fog lights, as well as your nice sport rims. Then on the inside, you're going to have all those Honda Sensing features right there on the steering wheel next to your thumb. You're going to have your leather trim seats with the 10-way power seating on the driver's side. You're going to get your multi-angle backup camera, your Bluetooth, your Apple and Android CarPlay, your Econ mode, and your Sport mode. You're also going to have the capless fuel filler in the back